Spring is about bringing nature indoors, but in a way that feels sophisticated and intentional. First, oversized floral arrangements. Instead of small bouquets, opt for grand, oversized floral arrangements in tall vases. Use fresh blooms like peonies, orchids, or hydrangeas for a refined look. 2. Elegant house plants. Choose sculptural plants like fiddle leaf figs, white orchids, or even olive trees in sleek, minimalistic planters. High-end aesthetics come from the balance of simplicity and statement pieces.